Hi everybody, good morning. Today is Sunday Fun Day and we're going to be making a Sunday gravy with sausage and meatballs. And here's our setup. Also with caprese salad, which has tomato, mozzarella cheese, basil with olive oil. But first, coffee. Today my choice is hazelnut. We'll also be watching football because today is Sunday. We're going to be watching the Bucks versus the Saints, so we'll see. So now to make the caprese salad, I have the olive oil here and I will assemble everything. The tomato, basil, and the mozzarella. Okay, we're all set, so you just have to put it in the refrigerator, let it sit for a couple of hours to get cold. Okay, on to the meatballs and the sausage. So I started the meatballs and the sausage in some olive oil. So the next step is I'm going to start chopping everything up for the gravy. So right now my vegetables have caramelized and the liquid is going down a little bit, so I'm going to put some paste in and then stir it up and then add the garlic. I added the tomato to the vegetables and now the garlic. So we'll stir that around a little bit, get it going. So I added the meatballs and the sausage back, some red wine, fresh basil, and now we're just letting it come up to a boil and then it will sit for a few hours. I have a block of Parmesan cheese that I am going to grate, so I'll put some of that on the top too. So I have a block of Parmesan cheese, and what I'm going to do is ahead of time just grind it up and put it in here so I can throw some in the gravy. And then everything that I've cut up, the ends that we didn't use, we always put it in a freezer bag, and when we collect a lot of it, that we will make a soup out of it. So never throw anything away. You can put chicken bones in with them, and because there's everything that we use. I mean, there's tomatoes, onions, garlic, peppers, and then you just add whatever you want. My pot is just starting to boil. I did add some Italian seasoning and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. So now I can put the cover on, stir it up a little bit, and then put the cover on and just wait. Hi everybody, Sunday Fun Day. Guess what? The Bucks won, so didn't the Patriots in football. So our supper is ready. We have ziti with red sauce and angel hair with blush sauce. There's meatballs, sausage, the caprese salad, and some garlic bread. So this is not my recipe for the garlic bread. I got it from Cook's Kitchen, American's Test Kitchen. So I will post it underneath, and it's so good. You must try it. Okay, so salute.